This is a really easy, very simple, quick Christmas gift card or cash envelope or holder. So basically what we want to do is we want to get an 8.5 by 9 7/8. So 8.5 is generally your standard US letter size. So I've got this design paper. If you want to use wrapping paper, that's fine too. I like the craft paper. It's just a little bit thicker. And so I'm going to go 9 7/8. And I'm going to cut off that little strip. And basically what we want to do is we want to take the longer side, fold it in half, open it back up. We're going to fold not quite to the center line, but almost. Maybe a little bit more than that. Leaving, oops. I would say leaving about 1/16 of an inch. Just a rough guesstimate. Okay, then I'm going to open these up and I'm going to fold each corner in, and again, not quite to the crease. Okay, we're gonna fold those in. We're gonna flip this over. And then right at the edge of where these triangles are folded, I'm gonna go ahead and crease that. Okay, and on the other side, and it's not a full, we don't go all the way over, and it's not an exact measurement, it's just wherever your corners kind of ended up. And then at this point, what we're gonna do is just tuck in these corners. And this basically makes your little wallet holder that you can slide your gift card or cash, just slide it in. And if you want, you can fill this space. So let's go ahead and get our measurement. So we're just about 5 by 3.5. So if I cut this just shy of, let's see, maybe 4 7/8. What did I say that was? 3.5? Yeah. By 3 3/8. See if that fits in. And basically you kind of just tuck it in this space. Crease. See how quick and easy that was? So then we can go ahead, we can tuck our little gift card. If you wanted to tuck in cash, a little note, whatever it is. And then you can go ahead and if you want, you can wrap with a ribbon or a belly band. You know, you can go ahead, tie that. I've got some, can't even remember what this is. It's kind of a straw-like ribbon of sorts. little tag. Kind of make it more of a package type. And it just makes a really great gift, and it can be any holiday, right? Any design paper or birthday, Easter, whatever it is. But it just makes a super fun, quick and easy little wrapping for your gift card or your cash. So it's not a super, you know, when people say impersonal, I love cash. I love gift cards. I know that people say it's impersonal, but then I get exactly what I want. So I am not above giving cash or a gift card. So this is just a super cute way to present it. Gives it a little extra something, makes people feel special, gives them something to open. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. What was that? Less than 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to sharing some more tips and tricks for craft ideas for the holidays.